Alright, we're just looking at a quick side-by-side comparison of two John Deere snow throwers. This is a classic 826 right here. And then this one over here is the TRS27, TRS27. Both of these have an 8 horsepower Tecumseh engine on it with electric start. This one has throttle control, gear selection, and then this is to engage or disengage the auger. It did at one time have some functioning safety features, long since defunct, and the on-off key for the ignition, hand crank down here for the chute. In comparison, this one over here, the hand crank for the chute is up here. Here's the gear select. Here's actually for the yeah, let's see, I didn't even look at this one. Yeah, see, this one you have to adjust the top of the chute, the throwing angle by hand. This one has a cable, and it's adjusted by this. This is for engaging the forward and reverse gears, and this is for engaging the auger. Both of them have identical tire size and wheel size. The differential lock on this one is a plastic T, and this one is the metal T. Let's look around front. Looking at the auger and the gearbox in the front, looks nearly identical. The auger in the back, 4 blades for the impeller. This one also 4 blades, a little bit more. No, looks identical. All right. So I'm going to lift these up and take a look underneath. All right, looking underneath these units, we've got the TRS27. I think these are nearly identical. You've got the same kind of differential here, same drive wheel, same chains. This particular one, a little hard to read the model number and stuff, but there it is. Hop over to the older unit, and here we have identical setup. This is a differential that I rebuilt. You can go back and look at my other videos to see that. And this one has a new drive wheel here. And there's the model number for that one. So offhand, I don't know who built these machines. I know some machines were built by Aaron's. Some machines were built by Murray. Some machines might have been built by John Deere themselves. But in this case, it looks like they at least used the same drive system underneath. So that one over there works great. This one over here has got some serious engine issues. So thanks for watching.